I'm going to demonstrate how to duplicate a high security car key. We are using the Xhorse Dolphin XP 007. This is their manual key duplicator for high security keys. Now what we're going to want to do is notice a couple things. There is a battery indicator. The battery's real low on this one. And we have our calibration meter. We're going to want to make sure it's calibrated correctly before we start cutting. And then we have the power knob here. This is a slow start system, so you want to make sure it gets fully up to speed before you actually start cutting the key. What we'll do from here is just check that it's calibrated. You'll see the two lights light up at the same time, indicating that the probe and the cutter are even. Alright, so you see how they light up at the same exact time. It's an indication that we're good and calibrated. I'm going to go ahead and turn the power on, let it speed up, and then we'll start cutting. And we're going to make a couple passes because this thing does not knock it all out at one time. I usually don't go all the way down. I'll make one pass about halfway through the key, depth-wise, and then I'll make a second pass at the final depth. We'll go on one side to the other. We'll do a third. Notice that there's still key material being taken off, so you'll hear it now. There's nothing, no noise indicating that the key's being still cut. Alright, so we got one side done there. We're gonna take it out of the cutter. That's how we're looking so far. We'll flip it over to the other side. Now this comes with a tip stop, so you want to make sure that the key is nice and even. They give you this tool with it, so you can line it up to the same spot as the key that's on the probe side. Tighten it down. We'll turn our machine back on, let it speed up, and then we'll cut the other side. Okay, we're going to go nice and slow. Alright, so our second pass is done. Now I'm going to turn the machine off. Notice the battery is blinking red because it's getting pretty dead there. So what we do have is our key is good and duplicated, both sides. Try to show in some light there. Now this isn't as clean of a cut. I would recommend, if you're doing this full time, get an automated machine like the Dolphin XP 005. It's a lot cleaner of a cut, quicker to use, all the way around, better machine. Now what you'll notice is during my duplicating that the cutter was grabbing here and there. It almost pulled my hand a little bit. The cutter's moving one way, so you want to follow the direction of the cutter on the key, and that'll cut it smoother. It'll fight you if you're going against the cutter direction, so just be wary of that. Otherwise, what we're going to do here is just clean it up. Put it in our Xhorse universal remote, which I have over here. These remotes are great. We'll put a roll pin in it and then make sure it works on the car. Now, thank you for watching. If there's any other recommended videos, let me know.